A ladder is leaning against a building. Oh, so that's the building. Okay, there's the roof. Here's my ladder. Not going to reach all the way up. Angle between the ground and the ladder. So here's the ground, here's the ladder. So this is the angle, 80 degrees. How high up does the ladder reach? So they're asking us what this is right here. So we'll call that x. And assuming the house isn't leaning, we'll assume it's a right triangle. And one last thing we can have is that if this is the ladder in my drawing, this is 33 feet. Okay, so now we can use trigonometry to find out this side length here. We need what's opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Okay, that's the sine function. Okay, sine of angle 80 is always what's opposite of that angle that you're talking about. So x in this case, divided by the hypotenuse of the triangle. So that's why I pick sine. That's what cosine would be. Cosine of 80 would be this side divided by the hypotenuse. And that's not what we want. We don't care how far away the ladder is. If the question said how far is the ladder from the house, then you'd be solving for y here, and that's cosine because that's the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. And tangent would be opposite over adjacent. If we know the ladder, we don't need tangent. Okay, so to get x by itself, we want to figure out what sine of 80 is. And then to get x by itself, you want to multiply that 33 to both sides. So I got 32.49. So that's reaching about 32.5 feet up the side of the house. Okay, and if you're not sure about that algebra step, I just did times 33 to both sides. So 33 times sine of 80 gives us this. So there's our answer.